Hello there. What we have here today is a quick connect, Hampton Bay quick connect. You can see the blades are in rather sorry condition. But with that being said, hey, it's not often you get to see a fan of droopy blade spin now, is it? I'm going to take this opportunity to the full. It's currently on low, so we'll go ahead and turn it to high. You can hear bearing noises. It doesn't put off much of a breeze because the blades have long since lost their bent, lost their pitch because they're obviously sag. But puts off a little bit. Pretty nice, I won't lie. Better than a fan in my bedroom. That thing doesn't move crap. I'm sure it's bleached oak on one side and white on the other, in terms of the color of the blades. Fan wobbles slightly. I'm surprised it doesn't wobble much more despite the sag of the blades. But they've all sagged pretty evenly. Then turn it to medium. Yep, and you can see this is on medium. I've always thought fans with sag blades were cool looking. I don't know why. So something about having that sag blades gives them character. You can see a very slight bit of rust on the housing. This was an indoor model you took because the switch was not insulated. You can see a little bit of rust inside the motor housing too. But it survived over the years. I'm not sure how old it is. It's probably 4 or 5. Just judging from the lack of rust and the amount the blade especially sag. It's not uncommon for fans like this their blades to sag really early because their blades are not meant to be outside, so the moisture causes them to lose their stability because they expand. It's kind of like what happens when you put sponge in the water. It's strong at first, when we put it in the water, it gets all kind of floppy and weak. We'll set it to its low speed. Now, for those of you who don't know who Hampton Bay is, I'm not going to bother explaining that to you because I'm sure you can find another YouTube channel that will. I think Home Depot actually has their own YouTube channel, so I'm not going to bother parading them about it. I'm not even sure if Hampton Bay still makes ceiling fans or if they've gone obsolete. Oh yeah, that nice sag. Saggy pants sucks, but saggy fans are pretty cool. Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and more fans to come.